Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. We are gonna talk about what the description say. Amari ex COLLIN passed away, guys. Also, we are gonna talk about Beenie Man New Girlfriend that Camille Lee or something like. So she go charge some people, lawsuit settings. Also, we are gonna talk about King and the League video where they run the place at a King and Shay. So subscribe, guys. This is a intro. I mean, a lot of people supposed to know COLLIN by now. Last time Amari with there, she and him with the up and down and thing. You see me? So, new surface, the internet say, yo, 2 young men mortally wounded in the past 24 hours. A young man by the name of Stepper from Anchovy was found in a car suffering from bullet wound, and the man in the first slide who is also artist Amari ex-boyfriend COLLIN. You see me? There is also video going around right now with a man being headed. You see me? So people them want for update the people them in a right order. So basically this man and the next man them finding a car, guys. You see me? And Amari I say 9 years she and him, she know him for and thing. But guys, it just tragic. We don't know some weird things that happen, and it could have been anybody, guys, but I just Amari man and ex-man, and we know that person. People just stay safe out there, Anyway, so Beenie Man New Girlfriend Camille have a live video. I mean, like a hour ago, and you see me, she da play some voice note, guys, and some people are saying her check this girl. You see me? So anyway, she see her, she gotta do her this and that, but I know that at the part. I just for know say she have proof. Say at this I go on, so she make sure contact her lawyer, guys. So Beenie Man woman I go slap some glass soup on some people, guys. I don't know what make them no love the woman. You see me, everybody deserve love. What make them stay, so them not for go on, so guys. You see me, love the girl, cause end of the day Beenie Man not a ring pon him, man. Last time we check out him and a girl Crystal Tomlinson, and them divorce. So love the man him free. Guys, them way there. So for the first time ever see Spice, mother in my life, I'm not gonna tell no lie. So she went way back when Spice young.
When mother fry dumpling or when she bake, because mama Jella cooking and a normal something. May I tell you? At a rice, Grammy selector, big up yourself, rice. How it go? See, Chris says she understand. Chris says she understand. Me like how you understand. Me eat after one tin of cake, one go. A couple hour after that, the next tin. I just the truth. My mother cake bad and nice and soft, and when the woman show look up, cheese. Yeah, Mr. sorry said me eat it off. I could have shown her the tin. Soft and bouncy, man. Then somebody can bake cake and just a bounce or just fluffy, so. Me never know. Mama, where you put it like make it so fluffy? Make it some moist.
No,
the butter?
Make it moist.
Oh.
Make it soft. And when it finish bake, me not open it up to breeze. Because when you open it up to the breeze, it get dry. So I just cover it up hot.
What you say? So you cover it up with the foil?
Yes, cover it up. That's it done. Because when you take it over the oven, it to get dry and crispy. So you have to just cover it up hot and let it steam back and get back moist.
So you put butter in it?
Yes, you have to bake with butter.
No, but how you think in it when Mr. like it? Because I know everybody bake the same cake, but it not taste like your one. So you have a secret to it or something. Everybody bake that cake. They all buy it from the people that will walk and sell it. But when you bake it, mama.
Everybody cook different tastes and things like that. Everybody cook different.
Something with your baking, mama. Trust me.
Yes, just as I said, everybody cook different, bake different, and do things different in their cooking.
Something with your cooking. Cause remember, you come here come cook. I wish you come here come cook one day, yeah. And just did that, but it's who cook. It's who cook. Me just say, hey. It's just my mother come and say that me not cooking again for you. So you try to eat the fish.
I'm gone.
You try to eat the fish and go on, yeah. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Money Green, say your mom is beautiful. Thank you. Your mom look like a very easygoing person.
Well,
Felix, what you have to say about that? What you have to say about that?
she's very easygoing.
Oh, the lie.
On some days.
Listen, this is a Christian woman that will come out here. Oh, Mama said, don't say that. Mama are very easygoing. I don't know who mouth me. So who mouth me get then, Mama? If you then say you look easygoing and nice, so who me stay like? Where say Mama?
Your dad was love to talk and things like that.
So
you try to get you love to talk.
When I say we like to talk.
Yes, so you love to talk.
Mama, where say a daddy mouth me get?
Yes, she's saying you love to talk.
So when that is terrible. That it trace people. What how it go? Come on, you have to tell me when me get that. I have a different kind of attitude. I'm gonna go from 0 to 100 real quick. I mean, no, if I know you may get it from.
Yeah, your father did nice, but it was very outspoken and he was a very no nonsense man. Yes.
So him make me love cuss so.
Theme fight. I think so.
Jesus God.
I think so.
So when you not blame me, I feel like says me. It come from early spring. It come from very early spring. So before me even born, the man make me stay so. Yeah, I'm a father make me stay so. May I tell you? Daddy mouth me have. Yeah, I'm a father make me stay so. So from very early, may I tell you?
He was a plain man, very plain.
Where is it, Mama?
Yes, he look in your eye and tell you the truth. He was a very, very plain, outspoken man.
Very plain.
Very plain.
And that's why they don't like me, because I have to just start the truth and tell you right to your face, there and then. Get it over with.
Yes, but sometimes you have to hold back the truth, because sometimes the truth hurts. I don't know, everybody like to hear the truth.
Right.
So sometimes you have to hold back your speech sometimes.
Which is where you always tell me. But Mama, now, listen, sometimes when the people them talk the things them, and it burn you to the core, oh, you have to hold back your mouth now and just not say nothing.
Yes, you cannot say nothing sometimes.
You
Cannot say nothing sometimes.
You hear it from my mother. So every time we in a problem with people and Mama that I say, Gracie, don't answer me. Say, Mama, me have to say something. Mama, me have to talk. Mama, me have to answer. Mama, me have to talk. And Mama, they plan, no, Gracie, sometimes you just leave people alone to them time and let them talk. Not leaving them. Me not leaving them. Me not leaving them. So all of them they kill up on yourself. It don't make no sense to nobody comment and say, oh, Spice is bigger than this. I am not big. I am not big. Me not bigger than it.
Yeah, more people, and if you still a watch, you know say King from King and Shay have a leak video with a person on a live, like one of them video called the jerk off. You see me, and you don't know this are the girl. She not come forward for the people them know who are. It could have been any Photoshop. Nobody no believe. Enough people are this are say, but they wonder how Shay take it. Because Shay in the midst of everything, guys. I just want to say, yo, right now, King him lose enough respect from the people them, but him for just, you see me, him should have steadied and that. Like him never listen to wild side, guys. But we are bring back anything when you. So thanks for watching.